everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shilpa and you are watching the Thecaplihs YouTube channel. So today is our day 2 of DIWALI 2021. So for day 2, I have decided I'm gonna share some outfit ideas for Diwali or any other functions. I know ये वीडियो काफ़ी लेट हो चुकी है एंड अगर आप इसे ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर भी करना चाहेंगे तो आपको टाइम पे डिलीवर नहीं होंगी, बट कोई बात नहीं, आप इन्हें किसी अदर फंक्शंस में भी पहन सकते हैं. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the video.
First outfit is from India brand and it's a sari plus dress style and it is very beautiful. I absolutely love this style because you don't have to make plates in this sari and it is very appropriate for Diwali, and also this gonna look stunning, trust me on that. Second outfit is from Naka Fashion, white mirror embroidered long flared gown, and it costed me 1485, and I absolutely love this dress. It is very beautiful. Also it's not white in the color, it's cream, and I absolutely love how flary it is. It's gonna make you look amazing. So the third outfit is from Myntra. It is green solid kurta with trouser and dupatta, and I got in the size small. It costed me 874 rupees, and इसके साथ ग्रीन कलर की चुन्नी आई थी जिसे मैंने एक्सचेंज कर लिया था येलो कलर की चुन्नी से, एंड इट वाज लुकिंग अमेजिंग. Fourth outfit is also from Myntra and it is costed me 1479 rupees. It's a solid polyester kurta set and I'm in the size small. But according to small ये मुझे fit नहीं हो रहा था, which was a disappointment. Also मुझे quality wise ये कुछ खास नहीं लगा, but just in case अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है तो आप इसे order कर सकते हो. Fifth outfit is from Amazon. It's women's magenta poly crepe kurti with sharara. एंड मैंने इसे मजेंटा कलर में ऑर्डर किया था बट ये मुझे डार्क ब्लू कलर में मिला. करेंटली कुर्ती विद शरारा काफ़ी ट्रेंड में है तो डेफिनेटली ट्राई. This outfit is from Meesho and it is also kurti with sharara and it costed me 806 rupees. I'm in the size small and it is very comfortable. Definitely try. This last dress is from Amazon from India brand and इसके साथ मैंने अपनी चुन्नी और स्कर्ट ऐड की है and it looks really beautiful. I think ऐसे ड्रेस के साथ कोई भी कलर की स्कर्ट या फिर लेगिंग आराम से चली जाएगी and it gonna look really beautiful on you, so must try.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, turn on the notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.